So hello guys, today we are going to discuss the LeetCode problem number 234, that is Palindrome Linked List. So over here what we have to do, we have to identify whether the given linked list is a palindrome linked list or not. Okay, so let us look at the problem statement. So it is a easy level question. Okay, here the head of the singly linked list is given and we have to return true if it is a palindrome. If a particular linked list is palindrome, then we have to return true, otherwise false. Let us look at what are the constraints given and follow. So the number of nodes in this linked list in the range of 1 to 10 raised to power 5, and we have to solve this. Okay, in time complexity of order of n and space complexity of order of 1. So there are two approaches to solve this problem. First one is using the deep copy, but in that case it gives the time complexity of order of n with space complexity of order of n. So in that case what we do, what is asking to us that we have to solve this question in time complexity of order of n and with space complexity of order of 1. So in that case, what we do, we find the we break the linked list into two parts. Okay, two parts. Okay, if one half, first half and second half is same, means if first half and the reverse of the second half is same, then we can say that the given linked list is palindrome. Okay, so so let us look at the algorithm or the concept to solve this problem. First of all, what we do, um, we find out the left middle of the particular linked list, whether it is even or not. So this is the left middle. Okay. So we know that in most of the cases we find it using the slow and fast pointer. Okay, slow and fast pointer approach. Okay. So when we find out the when we use this concept, so slow reach at the left middle of the linked list. After that, what we do, we insert one new head, new head over the next of slow dot next. Okay, and then we reverse this linked list. Okay, so what we get, one, two, three, and one, two, three. Okay, after that, we assign two. Uh, pointer on this linked list. First is on head and second is on slow dot next. Okay, here on new head B. Then we compare both of them. Okay, if value of A is not equal to value of B, so what we return? We return false. If B reach to the null and uh, no such node is found that is similar, then we return true. We return true. Okay, let us implement the code. Okay, first of all, we start with the slow and fast pointer approach. Okay, list node star slow. We point it to on head. Then list node star fast. It is also on head. Then we apply while loop and put the condition. To find the uh, left middle, what we do? If fast.next equal to null, and then fast.next equal to null, then what we do? We just break the loop. Sorry, it's not equal to null. This is actually this loop run until far.next is not equal to null and far.next is not equal to null. Okay. Now we move the slow pointer by one step and fast by two steps. And when fast become null, okay, means fast.next is equal to null or fast.next is equal to done. So slow reach at the point where we get the left middle. Now what we do? We save that left middle, okay, into new head. Okay. So here we directly apply the reverse code. We directly send over here so that we get the reverse linked list along with head of along with slow.next as new head. Okay, as a with reverse linked list. So let us implement the code for the reverse. Here we start head. Okay, so over here, first of all, what we do? We have to consider three pointers to reverse the linked list. Okay, current that is on head. Okay, that is on null. Okay, after that we apply the while loop until current not equal to none. This loop continue. Okay, so what happening? Let us make it capital actually because it is a reservoir. Okay, so next is equal to current dot next. Okay, and current dot next is equal to previous. Okay, and previous to current and current to next. Okay, and then we return previous. Okay, because previous reach at the end of the linked list. Okay, here what we get reverse linked list. After that we use two pointer. Okay, this node A. Okay, we put this on head. Okay, and the this node B on new head. Okay, after that, what we do, we compare both of them until when B is not reached to null, until B is not reached to null, we continue this loop. Okay, so if A dot value is not equal to B dot value, then what we return? We return false. On the other case, we move A into A, what next? And B equal to B dot next. Okay, after that we return true. Let's run this code. Okay, so whatever the ask in this question, we solve according to that. Okay, so we have another approach over here, but in that approach, what we do, we make the copy of the linked list. Okay, so deep copy. So we also discuss that also. Okay, so here is the linked list. Okay, so first of all, what we do, we make copy of this linked list. Okay, we make copy of this linked list, and it is attached to a temporary node. And then we compare each node with one another. If all are same, then we return true. Otherwise, we return false. Okay, so we also write the code for this. We start with the temporary node first. First of all, we have to make one temporary node. This is to next C is equal to new node 20. Okay. After that, what we do? We make the deep copy for the original linked list. Okay. So first of all, we use temp. Okay. And actually, this temp is traverse on the original linked list, and this one this one create the uh, this one traverse on the new linked list. Okay. They start from C and then move forward. This loop run until temp is not equal to 1. Okay. So in that case, we create one node first. Okay. First of all, what we do, we create the uh, one node, temporary node. Okay, what we do, as we discussed, we create one temporary node. After that, we assign head on temp on original hand and temp.c on C. After that, what we do? We create node one after another. First of all, we only have 10. Then we make copy of this. Okay, that's 10. So this loop run until temp is not reached to the end. Okay. So we name it as node is equal to new node temp value. Okay, here we create one new node. After that, we compare. If we don't compare, actually, we create a node and then we attach. Okay, what we do, then we attach temp c dot next is equal to node. Okay, then we move temp is equal to temp dot next and temp c. Okay, when this loop ends, it means we get the temporary node temp uh, copy of the linked list. After that, we move c to c dot next to remove the temporary node, and then what we do, we reverse the linked list. Okay, we reverse the linked list. Now we write the code for the reverse list node star. What we receive head. Okay, so for reverse we use three pointer approach list star curve. We put it on head. After that, list node star previous equal to null list star next is equal to null while loop. This loop run until current don't reach to null. Okay, as null pass, as current reach to null, the loop will end. Okay, so next is equal to dot next and curve dot next equal to previous and previous is equal to mm, curve and curve equal to next. Here after that we return previous. Okay, we get the reverse of the linked list. After that, what we do, we assign two pointers on both linked lists. List node A is on head and list star B is on where, on new linked list, that is C. Okay, and while loop runs until A don't reach to null. Okay, now we make the comparison over here. If A value not equal to value of b, then we return false. On the other hand, a is equal to a dot next and b is equal to b dot, okay, and in the end what we return true. Let us run this code. Okay, so it is accepted. Thank you.